For the past 8 months, our group has been developing RhombiChess, an online chess variant that encourages creativity and strategy with numerous exciting new pieces and a unique game board. Today, we'll give you a tour of the application.
On the landing page, the user is given the option to play online or locally. If they need to, they can read up on the rules of the game through the navigation menu. If you don't already have an account to play online, you can register for one with your name, email, and password. Let's demonstrate an online game which requires us to log in.
On this page, the user can create a new game or join an existing one. When creating a game, you can optionally set your color, the timer duration, and the game password. Let's set ourselves to be white, the timer to 1 minute and 30 seconds, and the game password to Capstone. Clicking Create, we are redirected to the link for this game. In the center of this page, we have the default game board that both players will interact with. On the right, we have various information about the game, the ID and password, the timers, and the game chat, which has announced that I have joined the game. To get this game started, we'll need a second player to join.
On another account, I will join Farzan's game with the game code. It asks me for the game password, which Farzan will send to me. And I'm in. Now that both players are in, White's timer has begun counting down and they can make their move.
Before the game and after every move, the backend calculates all possible moves that both users can make. And when Farzan clicks on a piece, the possible moves are shown on the board. After he makes a move, he must confirm the move using either the buttons or the keyboard shortcuts.
On my board, I can see the move Farzan just made and that the timers have flipped. It is now my turn, and I can make a move the same way Farzan did. A game of RhombiChess takes long, but we'll make a few moves to show you. When players capture pieces, they show up in the Game Info tab to the right.
The timer crept up on Monica and Farzan won the game. This is announced to both players and the game has ended. This means the boards have been disabled, but the players can still use the chat system if they'd like.
Local games are quite similar to online games, but both players play on the same board. Let's create a timeless local game to demonstrate this. Local games start immediately after being created. The backend keeps track of whose turn it is. White plays first and they're restricted from moving any black pieces. Once they make their move, the UI shifts the focus to the other player. Black can now make a move and is restricted from moving any white pieces.
Our goal has been to cover the primary requirements specified by our supervisor while enhancing the gameplay experience with extra features and a clean design. We hope you're as excited about RhombiChess as we are. Thank you for watching.